Uyabona iSouth Africa ne alikho ikasi elinabantu abathanda ikasi labo njengeSoweto. Naye Soweto, I think you can go all over South Africa ne abekho abantu abathi mabazi introduce nasebantwini athi mina ngibuye eSoweto mina. Like they love their place, those people. And into engichaza ngabantu baseSoweto noma ungahlangana nogogo wakhona ne abogogo baseSoweto basiclaim yeah wathi uzangamasimba angagcina kutshele kathi phela mina ungangithathi njengalabo gogo labo ojwayele ukuhlangana nabo mina ngibuye eSoweto mina ya bakutempela ngaleyo nto umuntu waseSoweto makugcina umjwala amasimba ya uzogcina sekashintsha athi hayi ungacabanga ukuthi mina yilabantu ohlangana nabo in these other townships mina ngibuye eSoweto ya wazi ukuthi ya. And the good thing about these people, they are able to put their political differences in the name of fighting for their township. Yeah. Where the issue Eskom iphelele phi? Eskom yazi ithi yazihlanyisa ithi izocima ugesi. That hayi iSoweto ikolota 1 billion esocima ugesi. Uyabaza abantu baseSoweto? Yeah, bafoma iparliament. That's one of the townships that I know what there is Soweto Parliament. People, they came together and said, no, you can't do this. You can't just come and switch off. Soweto, lo mungena mfethu boma Soweto highway ama infrastructure kona yabona ukuthi hala mfethu ngaba nama crisis we unemployment yabona ibe normal njengamanye ama townships, but in terms of the infrastructure, the way these people love their place, I Soweto mfethu kazi. Yeah. Ungeza uthi ufuna ukufaka ama-meter wamanzi bayokutshela ngazosijwayela kabi uthi people must pay for water. Amakasi aSoweto awubhadali maybe lapho emabhondini lawa manje ilapho ukubhadala amanzi mhlambe ngoba bagwajisa ngoba izindlu zakhona zithengwa amabhenki lezi akudala uze nalomkhubanyana wakho ukuthi politicians if you promised them ukuthi when 1994 uzobanikeza amanzi bafuna amanzi amahala angithi usho kanjalo Soweto abadlali mfethu. Ngabona ezola khona amakasi actually apart from ezola khona amakasi anezindlu like izindlu lezi zakudala lezi zakho ugovernment ama-4-room nice amakhulu uyabona baphinde babafakele nama-2-room extra double 2-room ene-shower eSoweto. Yeah, the time ngiqala le ndaba yenu eluthini iSoweto bahama abantu beSoweto baprotecta iMaponya bathi hayi you can loot indlala. This is our place. This is one of our monument. We pride ourselves. You can't do that. Balala lapha eMaponya. Soweto bayazithanda abantu baseSoweto. Yo. Yeah, no mama ungashela umntana khona athi I'm from Soweto Pimville, I'm from Soweto Moroka, Phiri Mapetla, Zolamdini, Jabulani. Yabona iJabulani Mall, iJabulani Mall yabona ukuthi imall. Yabona moya nasemaponya uyabona ukuthi mfethu Soweto ilapho uzothola noma uthi ungena kulabo abobhara uthola igrandpa iadvertise lapho ithi we love Soweto. Yeah, nabona abo Toyota uthola amagarage maluku drive uthi khona igarage eToyota where you can go amanye amakazi kumele uphume uye town you apply. Soweto VW yeze emaponya ibeka imoto ezinye izintswembu eSoweto intswembu wafethu factory infrastructure seSoweto abantu beseSoweto bayithanda iSoweto.